Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create this super simple minions cake that you can create at home. I've chosen two 8-inch cakes that I have cut in half. They were white chocolate and raspberry. I basically just baked the white chocolate cake with some raspberries that were frozen, just kind of mixed through the batter. Create a ring of buttercream, and then within that ring you can add your filling. This is white chocolate ganache with the same raspberries, and I've mixed in a little bit of buttercream into there as well to make it more stable. I always find when I go with just white chocolate ganache and the raspberries, it's way too thin, and the cake layers end up moving around a lot, so adding that buttercream just really helps to stabilize it all. With a small spatula, I'm just going around the sides to press any excess buttercream up against the cake. Work on creating that crumb coat, so I've got a nice big dollop at the very top, pushing it out to the sides and flattening it out, and then using that excess to continue to cover the outside of my cake, filling in any pockets as I go. I'll have the recipe for this buttercream in the description box for you guys. Smooth it out with your frosting scraper, and then drag that top lip towards the middle of the cake. Pop it into the fridge to set for at least 20 minutes to 30 minutes if you can. And then go on with your final layer of frosting. Being a minion cake, I decided to color this yellow. And again, starting at the top and then working your way on the sides. Smooth it all out. And just like before, we're going to drag that top lip back towards the middle of the cake. I always find using a large, wide spatula makes it a lot sharper and just easier to do that step there. And then you can pop it back into the fridge if you like before you go on with some white chocolate ganache that's been tinted blue with gel food color. I always find it's easier to put it into the fridge first, that way the warmth from the ganache doesn't melt your frosting. I create a nice big puddle at the top, and then I create these little drips along the side. That big puddle at the top is going to continue to feed the drip, so you don't need to create a very big drop on the side. It will just continue to grow. Once your ganache is set, add on your decorations. I had a bit of a boo-boo here where it fell out of my hand and onto the drip, and I kind of destroyed one of the drips and I was devastated. But that's okay. Easy fix. Take a wet brush and gently smooth it out. Being that it's a fat-based ganache, you have a lot of cream in there. Using a wet brush means that it won't pull the ganache and you can smooth it out. And then just take any excess off of the cake as well if you got a little bit smudged on there. And that's it. That is how you create probably the easiest minion cake you'll ever make. This is just one of those bubble collectible toys that we got and placed on the cake for the theme. If you recreate it, I would love to see it. Hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so we can check it out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you again in the next one.